There is no cure to a bad day. You need bad days. These days where you feel like you're losing everything. These days where you were making so much progress but you failed your streak. These days where you're all alone and you feel like no one can help you are the days where you truly learn what your limits are. I've had so many bad days and nights. I've wanted to go make friends but chose to keep to myself instead. I've gotten injured and thought I would lose everything I worked so hard for in the gym. I've failed goal after goal and I've hated the way I didn't just take action when I knew I should have. I've sat by myself crying night after night for almost 3 months because I had such terrible friends. But I'm grateful for each and every one of these days because they have made me who I am today. The younger me would have avoided these days at all costs. He would have rather stayed comfortable and never even tried in the first place. A bad day is a test of your will to feel like shit but continue to strive towards your goals ruthlessly even though you don't feel like it. The only way a bad day is bad is if you let your emotions win the battle and keep you in bed all day. Anyone and everyone who has ever become great has had days where they feel like giving up on their goals, but the difference between them and you and I is they still got up and did what they knew they needed to do anyway. I used to hate bad days, but now I embrace my bad days with open arms because I know I'll come out stronger than I was before.
901 Shelby Drive, look alive, niggas came up on this side, now they on the other side. Oh well, fuck them dawg, we gon' see how hard they ride. I get racks to go outside, and I split it with the guys. We up on the other side, niggas acting like we tied. I been gone since like July, niggas acting like I died. They won't be expecting shit when Capo go to slide, cause I told them that we put that shit behind us, but I lied. Hey, look who I'm around, man. If I fucked up, I'ma be downtown, man. Full flow down, man. That's if I get caught, man. Push me to the edge, so it really ain't my motherfucking fault, man. I'm not to blame, man. This fucking industry is cutthroat. I'm not.
Don't say I'm having a bad day. Say I'm having a character development day. Les Brown. There is a lesson you need to learn from these days, and until you learn it, they will not stop. Circumstances don't make the man, they only reveal him to himself. Epictetus. Everyone makes mistakes. It's the greats who learn from their mistakes and ensure they don't happen again. The only real way to cure a bad day is to still get up and do what you know you need to do anyway. Realize what is in your control and what is out of your control. Fix the things in your control and stop worrying about the things out of your control. We suffer more in our imagination than reality. Seneca. A bad day is a gate of fire protecting a beautiful forest. There's no way to avoid it. You just have to go through it and suffer the pain to see what's on the other side. There is nothing worse than admitting you're having a bad day. There is nothing better than the feeling of saying, but I'm gonna make sure tomorrow is the best day ever.